In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a document from OneDrive in Microsoft Word. To get started, open Microsoft Word on your computer. You can launch it from your desktop, your start menu, or however you normally access your apps. Once Word is open, give it a moment to fully load so all menu options appear properly. Next, look to the top left corner of the Word window and click File. This opens Word's main file menu, where you can manage documents, create new files, and access files saved in different locations. From there, select Open. This is the section that lets you browse for documents you've recently used or files stored locally and in the cloud. After that, choose OneDrive from your list of saved locations. OneDrive is Microsoft's cloud storage service, so this option allows you to access files that are saved online instead of directly on your computer. If you use more than one storage location, just make sure you select the OneDrive option so you're looking in the correct place. If Word prompts you to sign in, go ahead and sign in to your Microsoft account. This step is necessary if your OneDrive files aren't already connected in Word. Make sure you use the account that contains the document you want to open. Once you're signed in, Word should display the folders and files stored in that OneDrive account. Now find the document you want to open. You may need to click through folders if your file is organized into specific locations. Take a moment to confirm the document name so you open the correct file, especially if you have several similar versions saved in OneDrive. When you find the right document, click it to open it in Microsoft Word. Word will load the file, and after a few seconds, it should appear on your screen, ready for viewing or editing. If your file takes a little longer to open, that can be normal, depending on your internet connection and the size of the document. A helpful tip is to make sure you're connected to the internet before trying to access OneDrive files, since cloud documents need an online connection to load properly. It's also a good idea to wait until the file finishes syncing if you recently saved or updated it from another device. And that's all it takes to open a document from OneDrive in Microsoft Word. Once you know where to find the file menu and your OneDrive location, the process becomes quick and easy every time.